We woke up here at the cutest little hotel, and as you can see, this color scheme is like sunshine if she were a motel. Today we're heading into Eureka Springs. We're gonna walk around, check out the town and the sights, see what it's all about. I'm excited to get going on this day.
Hi.
Let's go.
Time to get going.
We were driving down the road to Eureka Springs and I was so excited to see this guy. I had to stop and say hi. Sunshine has family. We are in Eureka Springs right now. It's really cute. I think we're gonna spend a little bit of time walking around and checking out the sights.